multiplication of matrices is nothing but we are having two matrices. So order of the matrices is this. So this 3 and this 3 is equal. Okay, it should be equal, and the balance you should write in this place. Okay, this is order of the matrices. They given two order of the matrices. Find out whether it can be eligible to multiply or not. Means first of all you find out your order is first order of column is equal to second order row. Okay, so that's become this into this format. So we are having a matrices like this. How can we write a product means? So we already know this is a row, this is a column. So this row is multiplied with this term. This row is multiplied with this term. Okay, each and everything. So this, so like a 7. Okay, so A is multiplied with G. So AG plus BK. AH plus BL. AI plus BM. Same. CG plus DK. CH plus DL. CI plus DM. Same, the last show this and this and this. Like this we will write. That's only the given. So M cross N and N cross P. So we are having a taking out of this means. So it should be equal. Okay. If it is equal means, so you are getting a order should be like this, the balanced term. Okay. Then only you can multiply. So if you multiply to get this order, that's what they are trying to tell. So property of the multiplication of the matrices, it's nothing but the commutative property is not exist. Okay. Then, so matrix multiplication is distributive over addition. So it is possible A plus B plus C equal to AB plus AB. Each and everything in matrices. Then ABC or left distributive property. So where is left? First add and multiply. Okay. So as a left distributive property. Then what we having? Matrices multiplication is always associative. So multiplication by using the multiplication. So each and everything is a matrices. So unit matrices. Unit matrices means the diagonal should be one, the balance place. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 or 1 0 0 1. There is two possibility we are having a unit matrix. Only a square matrices are available for this. Okay, this is a unit matrices. And what they mention, if x and y are, I already marked. What I am telling, that should be you write. I already marked in pencil. Okay, you should write it on your class of then move to the exercise. If x and y are two real numbers such that xy equal to 0. So if x and y is your real number, that's become 0 means any one number should be 0. Then when you are getting equal to 0. That's but this condition may not be true with respect to two matrices. But in your matrices, it's not eligible. Are you clear? So AB is equal to 0 does not necessarily implies that A equal to 0 or B equal to 0 or both A, B equal to 0. Okay. It's not necessary for this equal to 0. That's what they're trying to say, telling. Then the one more, it may ask in one word. A, B or two matrices, non-zero matrices, then we are having this not satisfying. But AB equal to BA, then it is satisfying this property. It may come in your 1 mark. Okay. Then what they are asking, exercise 3.19, find the order of the matrices, order of the product of the matrix AB if it is satisfying or not. So what I am having in this place, so the first question, so order of A, so this is a pair, right? So order of A equal to 3 cross 3. Okay. Order of B equal to 3 cross 2. Right. So how can we write the product of AB? So product of AB means what? AB is equal to, how can I write? So A is 3 cross 3, B is 3 cross 2. Okay, whenever it is equal to this term only, it is eligible to write. So whether it is equal means what's your order of the product? So order of product AB means, so what is the order of AB? Order of AB is equal to what? The balanced term is, I take it in pencil, right? If it is equal only, you can move this strip. So 3 cross 2, you have the answer. Okay, the second one, so what we have? Order of A is equal to 4 cross 3. Order of B equal to 3 cross 2. So AB, A 4 cross 3, B 3 cross 2. So what's the order? Whether it is equal to, right? So order of this means, so order of AB, so what do you have left at terms? 4, 2. So 4 cross 2. So it's, if you are having difficult to write means, you will write in this method. Order of A is equal to 4 cross 2 and order of B is equal to 2 cross 2. So first one column, second one row. So it's equal, right? So I can directly write, so left at place. So order of AB equal to what? 4 cross. So if you well known about this, you will write like this. Then the same for each and everything. 4 cross 5, it will be easy to write. Okay, so order of B 5 cross 1. So my first matrices column is equal to second matrices row means I can proceed order of AB. So what's that? 4 cross 1. Okay, then fifth one you will try. Okay, that will be easy. And the second one, what I am having, if A is of the order, okay, the order of A is equal to P cross Q and the order of the B equal to Q cross R, what is the order of AB and BE? So what you having? Order of A is equal to P cross Q. Then order of B, this is a given, order of B is equal to Q cross R. So what is the order of AB? Order of AB is equal to, you can directly write, right? So it's okay, you will write this format, right? So in this format, what I am having? Balance P cross R. And another thing, this is for first. Then the second, order of BA I need. So order of B is equal to same, Q cross R. So order of A is equal to P cross Q. So but this is not equal, right? So first matrix B zero column, it's not equal to second matrices A's row. Therefore BA does not exist. Okay, so BA is not exist. That's a major rule. Then we have a third. So A equal to means A as row is A and A plus B is a column. B has B rows and 17 minus column. Okay, so what they given the third one? what they mention, the order of A I am having whose row into column is A plus B. Okay. Then order of B, whose row is B, whose column is 17 minus B. Then what they mention, if both product AB and B exist. So both having product AB and BA. So what's the possibility? So product of AB, the product of AB is equal to what? A is what? A cross A plus 3 and B into minus 70 minus this. So they already mentioned this is a product, order of product. So obviously it should be equal, right? If AB has exists, then it will be easy equal, right? A plus B equal to B. I can write this, right? Because this is equal to this. They are asking find out A, B value. That's why I'm writing. So what can I do in this place? So I need equation model. So this B is coming in this place. 3 is going in that place. So A minus B equal to minus 3. It's the first equation. Okay. Then product of BA. What's the B? B is B cross 17 minus B. A is A cross A plus B, 3. So what can I do? This part, right? So what can I do? If BA as exists, then this is equal to this, 17 minus B equal to A. I can move to in this place. So 17 equal to A plus B. That implies A plus B equal to second equation. Solve 1 and 2. So A minus B equal to minus 3. A plus B equal to 17. I can cancel this. So 2A. So removing 3, how much we are getting? So it means 14. So A is equal to 14. 2 is moving this place, cancelling. So A is equal to 17. Then substitute A in 2. So substitute A in 2. So A plus B equal to 17. So 17 plus B is equal to 17. So B is equal to 17 minus 17. So B is equal to 0. That's it. Therefore the value of the A and B is 17 and 0. That's it.